In this video, we show you how to create lead capture landing pages and funnels using the image building media HighLevel CRM. And this CRM actually is a broad-based marketing platform with lots of features. So I'm excited to show at least a few features of it here in this video. All right, so we're talking about funnels, and a funnel can be used just a single-step funnel. It could be a landing page. You could have multiple steps, and I'm going to show you the first-time home buyer here in just a moment. Before I do that, you'll notice that we have a lot of funnel templates here that are already created. You can change everything about them, but if the steps are already built out, the forms are already there, good start, at least a good start for you there, or with just a couple of little changes, you can just go on and get started right away. I'll click over here, a few more funnels here, rent now, pay later, we buy houses, etc. like that. So I just cloned one of these and did so just by clicking here and cloning. And so we've just got a test set up here with the first-time home buyer. All right, so if you're familiar with funnels, they typically come in steps. Step one is you're showing someone a page you want them to click. We go to step two, then where they put in their information, and typically the last step is some sort of thank you. With the funnels here in the image building media HighLevel CRM, these can be added straight to your WordPress website with our WordPress plugin, or they can also be on subdomains. That would be, for example, firsttimehomebuyer.yourwebsiteurl.com. So anyway, let's look at the pages here. Everything, again, can be changed here. Every single thing can be changed here. You'll see that we've got some undefineds. I'll talk about that in just a little bit. This is where you can put in custom information into the settings, and then that information is applied across all of the funnels. Of course, you can change that if you'd like on any particular funnel, but it just speeds you up. So if you've got 15, 20 funnels, and you don't have to keep putting in the same thing over and over and over and over again. It's just in the custom settings and auto populates. So whenever you see undefined right here, that's what that's about. So this is the first page. You're basically trying to get them to click here to request information, and you're putting information here that would encourage them to do that. The second page, step number two, again, all of this can be changed. You're collecting their information for this list of homes, and this comes straight into your CRM. And then, of course, you can launch straight from your CRM an automation. The automation can send the information to their email. It can also send their information to their phone via SMS text message. And then third, you're saying thank you with that. And then we've got some more undefineds. And so all these undefineds are auto-populated once you get the information in there. I'm going to take you over to the custom values real quick, and you can see how we've got this set up here. That the agent's first name, this is for real estate, by the way, real estate funnel. So it's the real estate agent's first name, the agent broker mobile phone, agent broker's name, the buyer list of homes, your calendar link, to like a Calendly, your license number, and etc. Logo link, URL of your logo, all of these. So all of these will be pre-populated, and they can be changed. Everything is changeable, but this just helps you get a really fast start. Okay, so now the next thing is we're going to look at then how you come in here and you make a change to a page. Again, everything can be changed. Everything from the page This one has an image in the background. Doesn't have to have an image. It can be a single color. It can be a gradient color. It can be just whatever you want. And simply we go to settings and the background. We click background right here and we save that. Again, also here we've got the SEO data if you want to put that in there. If you want to put in some tracking code for like Google Analytics or Facebook ads, if you want to put in some custom CSS, which is a little bit more advanced, and here where you set up your font. So there's your settings. Everything can be changed. So this again, you want to change this, you just click on it, and then you go, hang on one sec. All right, so you've got your headline right here, and you can come right in here and you can make any changes to this that you would like. Same thing with any of these, just click anything that you want. You can make any change that you want right there. You can add text, you can take away text, you can change what it says, and then if you want to make it smaller, bigger, change colors, all those settings are over here. The alignment, all the colors, padding, right, left, top, bottom, all of these. And if you've ever used any website page builder like this, whether it be Wix or anything like that, they all work pretty much the same. So everything is changeable. Of course, this is a button right here. Again, everything is changeable. And of course, the URL also is changeable with that. Here is the text down here, and here is the subtext, and where does it go? After it's clicked, it goes to the next step in the funnel. All right, got some custom values that come in here, the website URL, all rights reserved, privacy policy, etc., like that. All right, so then we go, I'll go on and show you. Let me pause you and, well, I'll just let you see right here. I'm going to go back here. We're going to leave without saving. Didn't click the save button over there. I'll pause you while that loads. All right, so this brought us back to the page for this for the funnel, and we simply want to go to step 2 right here, and we're going to click edit in a new tab. It brings it up in a new tab just so we can keep the main page for the funnel open, and then it's going to load everything together for us, and you can see this once again. So everything here can be changed, the alignment, the color, the size, the padding, everything. And then this simply is a form. You can see the form that it brings in, and this form is included with the template, all the forms. I'll show you some automations that are included, and also the funnel. So we've got the whole package that's included here, and everything is can be changed by you. All right, so finally we could go back. We could see step 3. Let's go on and open this one up also in a new tab. And this is the thank you page. This will load up, and your thank you page, everything can be changed. Of course, you got a bar here saying everything is complete, so it's the status bar has encouraged them to go on and complete that. All this can be changed. The colors can be changed. We've got some things that are pre-populated here, which you don't have to use that. You can just put your own text there, whatever you want to do. All right, so as this information comes in, you'll want to, of course, it'll be in your CRM. You have myriads of options as far as automations, etc., like that. I'll take you back to the list right here. So here's the list of, and these are all folders right here. So inside these folders are automations with the related funnel. So here's the first-time home buyer, and I click on that, and we see we've got 3 automations with that. So here is, for example, an appointment confirmation. And if it's in another workflow, we want it removed. So there's the opportunity. That's the pipelines as schedule appointment. We're going to add a tag to it. And then we are going to send a text message here. We're going to wait 1.92 days. Then we are going to send another text message. We're going to wait 1,457 minutes. Another one. Then, oh, excuse me, this was before, okay? And this is 4 hours before. We're going to then send another text 72 minutes before another. Now, so it can be text messages, it can be emails. So you have just a lot of choices with that, and this is just a starting point. You can add tags the way you want it to tag. You can put them into pipelines. And if you've ever worked with pipelines, they've got different stages, and you can move them from stage to stage and launch automations. So just some wonderful things that you can do to automate this entire process of taking them all the way through your sales funnel to the point where they become a customer and there is a sale. So really happy to show you the funnels that we have with the Image Building Media, HighLevel CRM. And if you have any questions, let us know. And also, once you begin to use the system, we have all of our support channels where we'll be very glad to help you. And you'll learn very quickly how to do these things for yourself and to be generating leads. All right, thank you so much, and look forward to talking to you again.